Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook error performing query issue. To know how to fix Facebook error performing query issue, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook, and here in this page you will go to click force stop. After that, in this page you will enter to storage, and then here in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.